Hi viewers and welcome to Display Repair. In the past, we've made several videos about ground connection problems in a car. We'll say it once more. A ground connection problem is one of the most overlooked and neglected car problems. It causes lots of electrical issues, yet is very simple to solve in most cases. One more very common ground connection problem is dim headlights or dim taillights, or when all of the signalization inside the taillight works at the same time. In this case, most people change bulbs, connectors, even whole taillights and whatnot, only for the problem to stay the same. To avoid all of this, we'll show you the reason for this problem and how to solve it almost for free. So stay tuned. DisplayRepair.com. Besides this video, we would again like to recommend our series of videos about the ground connection problem. These videos should help in diagnosing, finding, and solving the problem. The links for the videos are in the cards in the corner and in the video description. Dim headlights. First, we'll mention the dim headlights problem. And note that this mainly applies to headlights with a filament bulb. With LED or other modern headlight systems, probably the whole headlight will not work in this case. Now, if you've ever seen this problem, it much resembles when the headlight bulb is faulty. So it seems like only the side light bulb works, not the main bulb. But there is a noticeable difference with a bad ground connection, since when you peek inside the headlight, you'll see the filament glowing instead of fully shining. Also, like in this case, you may see that the turn signal bulb is slightly glowing besides the headlight. Depending on the reasons for this problem, one or both headlights may not work properly. Dim taillights. The next ground connection problem of this type is that the taillights are dim, but also in most cases, all of the lights inside of it work at the same time. So, for instance, you turn on the position lights and they shine normally. But when you activate the brake lights, the position lights go dim and perhaps the turn signal may appear also. If the turn signal is on, all of the lights may blink at the same time. All in all, it looks like a big light show. In most cases, this problem is present only in one taillight. The reason for the problem. The reason for a bad ground connection is a filthy, loose, or broken ground connection. With this, instead of the electric current having a closed loop to the car body and working properly, other bulbs and wiring become the ground connection. This is what causes the dim lights and the whole light show effect. Rust and loose nuts or bolts are the most common causes of bad contacts, but also recently done bodywork in the vicinity where the ground connections haven't been cleaned or tightened properly. Also, modern plastic connectors with pins and contacts inside are pretty fragile and they can easily get damaged or burnt out over time, causing a loose connection. We made a separate video on this topic on how to solve this problem. It's very simple to do. We'll leave a link in the corner or in the video description so you can take a look. The solution. Finally, solving this problem is both simple and cheap. Some WD-40 or contact spray, some sandpaper, or even a file will do the job. Regarding the body connections, just take off the nut and washer, make sure to thoroughly clean the metal under it and the metal connector. Make sure there's no paint, rust, or filth under the connection. If there is, there will be problems again in the near future. To clean the metal parts of the connections, especially on the body, best use some sandpaper or even a file if the rust or paint is thicker or resilient. With the plastic electrical connectors, be careful and have some patience when cleaning to avoid damaging the contacts inside of it. These contacts are usually thin and frail. It's best if you can finish the job only with a spray. If the metal contacts are burnt out inside of the connector, if they are twisted or damaged, best replace the whole connector so the problem does not repeat. Dear viewers, for the end of this video, we'll again repeat. If you notice a dim headlight or taillight, don't immediately go and change the bulb or even worse the headlight or taillight. Make an inspection, check if the filament is working inside the headlight or taillight, and if it's barely glowing, do what we've shown you. And another thing, these problems may be accompanied by other freak electric problems since various electric systems share the same ground connection. Do the same thing if you notice the light show in the taillight. To notice this, especially the taillight problem, you have to be diligent and check all of the car signalization from time to time. So that's it for this time. We hope this video helps solve the problem. We always recommend doing this, especially before you go onto a longer trip. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.